Adriane Mays, Day 68, The Billionaire Journey. Steps on how to make change honestly, openly, and willingly. What up, though? Adriane Mays, and it's Day 68 in The Billionaire Journey. Today, we're making real change and talking about change and being open and honest and willing. So, in looking and remembering the movie Shawshank Redemption, in that movie, you're either busy living or busy dying. So, making excuses for where you are right now is nothing more than an excuse. So again, in 2024, with all the tools, AI tools, you literally have ways that you can educate yourself and not be a part of any system and literally take the freedom of choice. So your choice, your ownership, your decisions, there's no reason you can't change. So being in downtown Detroit, Michigan, about to attend Black Tech Saturday. What up, though, Tim Moore? Thank you so much for the referral. So having our random acts of kindness operation going now until September 11th, trying to encourage participation into our community. You reach a point in life where you want to help people, but they have to help themselves as well. So CCC, Because We Care Foundation, my why, giving away $15,000 to an amazing idea that's supported within our Random Acts of Kindness community. You also want to be able to grow and help others grow and love and serve in regards to the next steps of their life. So not to be controlled, not to be manipulated, not to be deceived. You want to truly help people grow within their own purpose. My only true freedom, my friends, is your freedom of choice. The freedom of choice is making wise decisions, what you do with each moment. But sometimes we don't know what will become of our actions, but we still have to try. You can't have fear. You have to face everything and recover. Your mental health leads to wealth and transformation. Having a billionaire mindset starts the whole process of financial growth. So when you have no excuses on the board, what's the point of becoming a billionaire and you throw it all away and you waste it on the wrong people or you waste it on things that don't matter? God put things and people in our life for a reason, and you have to receive that. So today's challenge, I challenge you to do a random act of kindness. Make change. Try to literally be honest and open and willing to educate yourself on something new. Take ownership of your decisions and use your freedom of choice to make a positive impact. And remember, it's not just about financial wealth, it's about mental and spiritual wealth too. Adriane Mays, AI Genius, thank you for joining me on this beautiful Day 68 of the Billionaire Journey. Let's continue to make changes one step at a time. I can, I will, I must. Let's go. Get in the community and let's go. I want to see those ideas. Deuces.